Today I'm going to show you how to use Venngage. So over here are the projects that I've already started. By hitting the plus sign, you can create a new one. But we'll go ahead and click edit on this one to edit this one. So over here on the left are a bunch of different pull down menus that you can add different things to whatever you're making. And everything on this is you click it and a box shows up around it, and then you can pull and drag. So here it looks like the words don't fit in the box, so I'm just going to click and drag from the corner or the side, either or will work, and make it to the size that I want. So then down here, if you click it once, you can just start typing. And then if you click it and you find the little plus sign with the arrows and you click again, that will click the entire box. So here I'm looking to get rid of that. So I click the entire text box and then you just hit delete on your keyboard and it deletes it for you. So I'm going to move this up here. And again, we're going to find the little plus and delete it, and I don't need it down here. Oops. Oops. So then we're just going to click the undo here, and it will bring back whatever you just deleted or move back whatever you just did. Okay, so now that I have all the wording in there, let's look at these sidebars. These things work exactly the same way as the text boxes and the shapes in the background did. So like this one I don't need, so again we'll click on it and hit delete. And then for this one, if you look, it's over the red here, and I want to send it to the back. So it's behind the red and you don't see it in front. So if you go ahead and click on that and then you come up here, this will send it to the back. So now we can't see that anymore. And then to add a picture, you'll come over here to this sidebar and we'll do upload images, and then you can drag and drop them here, or you can click here to upload them. So this one I already have. And then we'll drag to find the side and we will click and drag down to make it smaller so it fits where we need it. And then we can just drag and drop and place it where we want it. So I will put that here. Down bigger, and then we can close this drop down. And if we actually go to icons and we search the word government, it will bring up certain government icons. And so if there's this premium thing, that means you have to have the paid version of this tool to be able to use it. So we'll click on this and then it just puts it in the thing anywhere. And then, so if we see blue and we want it black, here we can click the color to change the color of it. You want to make sure that this is clicked. And we'll just use black, which is a preset down here. And then we can get rid of that and we can make this bigger. And it does give you different tips as you go along to help you with what you're doing. Those are really helpful. So we'll make this bigger. If you click a little thing here, we can turn it. So put that there. Minimize this again. Go back to icons and we'll put another one in there. Change the color to black again. And we'll put it over here. And then I don't love how this is empty space up here, so I'm just going to click and drag this up. And we can click the words as well when we find the plus, the arrow with the plus sign with the arrows. And then to make this longer, you just have to click on it and we will drag up. And then again, it is in the front, so I'm going to click on it and send it to the back. So that just puts it. And then to upload it, you're going to put publish, and you can preview the publisher or you can publish it. and it will give you the option to publish it.